Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Purti flowers at near Taratala and Jinjira Bazar at Mahestala municipality, and you can see it's a 3 BHK apartment of 1685 square feet sellable area, along with this bedroom. This is the first bedroom, a very big size first bedroom with windows on both the side, and you can see ample light in this bedroom. Along with this attached toilet, see the space of this bedroom, it's about 16 feet by 15 feet with the attached toilet space. So you can see this is the attached toilet space, along with wall mount commode, basin area and separate bath space, along with geyser points and exhaust points. And this bedroom is also having a very big size wardrobe space here. So this is the first bedroom. Now come this side. So now we are again into the lobby. On my right side, you can see this is another bedroom with having a size of 16 feet by 12 feet. It's another big size bedroom with having another wardrobe space, a big window. See the space of this bedroom. And this bedroom is also having attached toilet with this. This is the wall mount commode. This is the basin space. And this is the square stepped attached toilet. So now come again. So this is the size of this bedroom. You can see the size. Now come just outside. This is the living cum dining area. Beautiful living cum dining area. Very big living cum dining. The size of this living cum dining is approximately 25 feet long into 16 feet. So with having several windows for cross ventilation, and just adjacent to that, this is the kitchenette with modern parallel platform concept. This is the parallel platform, along with this basin area, and see the space of this kitchen. And this kitchen is also having a service balcony along with, and from this you can see the view of the internal complex. And now we are again going towards the living cum dining area. See the beautiful living cum dining space, and with this you will get this third bedroom. So come inside. So this is the third bedroom with having again two windows on both the sides and a wardrobe space. The size of this bedroom is approximately 14 feet by 13 feet, and with another attached toilet. So this is the attached toilet space with separate shower space, ample space for bath, basin area and wall mount commode, and this side exhaust points and geyser points. And come this side, just see the view from the balcony. So this is the view from the balcony, beautiful view of the city. and the internal complex view. So it's a beautiful flat of 1675 square feet sellable area. So thanks a lot for watching. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are only having a very limited number of units left, and we are currently offering some offers and discounts for very limited period, and this project is absolutely ready to move in condition. So thanks a lot for watching. Please share and subscribe for further updates. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.